Yes, I have been I have been without recording for days. Because when there is much to say, much to record, and the fact that I can't see myself recording, I really can't carry on recording. And mostly by the fact that it would be unfair, painful, shameful, senseless, meaningless. Carrying on recording without showing respect for the ones in pain, for the ones who would like to live, for the ones who are already gone, for the ones who are living in less than a minute this life, and the ones who are fighting a battle to stay. Even for the desperate ones, even for the ones who had decided to take their own life. For the ones who are being killed anyway. For the ones in pain. All sorts of pain. I still believe, but I know we are dying. Others are gone. Some others are going. And many others will go. Even me, I myself. May I will go. Early or later. Or may I will never go. Please allow me to join you, my brother, my sister. Whether you are boy or girl, whether you are young lady, like young man, old lady, old man, but this is for you, my brother, my sister. Please, ring on once more. It's tough and seems senseless, but it's meaningful if you just hang on, if you just stand by, even knowing may you can't stand, may you can't sit, and may you can't feel your body. Please, hang on. Hang on, because life is so precious. And we all have one life. May life can be given extension. So, my brother, my sister, hang on, please. Hang on, not for me, not for you, not for the ones that wish you to hang on, and not to avenge the ones who don't want you to hang on, but hang on for the love, belief, trust, respect, and wish to have life on you. Hang on for the sake of life once more. Perhaps better than me, you know how life is sweet. Perhaps better than me, you know how life is beautiful. Situation may make us to see like life is selfish, life is unfair. But removing the situation, life is innocent. Please, hang on to this innocent quality, the most precious. Life, most tender. Hang on once more, for 1 second, for 1 minute, for whatever time is there in front. Even though it is for nothing, please hang on for the sake of life. Because the cure have no time. The cure will be in front of us in no time. The cure didn't say it when we did question to a time, and the time is the master. The master does have his own. His owner is God. God gave us the opportunity to have a breath. We still have to exercise on that. So, I still believe there are others exercising in order to stop us from dying. This very me that stands strong and giant, looking like impossible. For us, all the sort of living thing, in particular a human being. But even knowing life is being battled by this enemy. And this enemy is conquering life time and time again. Because this enemy standing like impossible to be defeated. My brother, my sister, please believe there is a possibility to defeat this enemy. And a possibility is bigger than impossible. Possibility is even bigger than possible. Possibility stands forever. Possibility only would become negative if we allow. It's up to us to allow. But it's better not to allow. And a possibility stands forever. Tell me, be with me. Don't feel ashamed. Don't feel scared. Don't feel weak. Don't feel upset or stressful. Tell me, for whatever reason, your life is being threatened or threatened. If the problem that you have is a situation is in your life would go away, wouldn't you prefer rather to live once more? Perhaps it's not you who is threatening your life. So with all my respect and love, compassion, please may we embrace life once more. One day I was there. Everything was heavy. And there was no sense. I wouldn't even feel myself. The time was counting. Few minutes from the few hours were short for me to live life once for all. But I got the opportunity to think about life and hang on once more.